Welcome, my dear friend. I'm your host, Mamoon, back with another music meditation just for you. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed by life, stressed out, feeling anxious about the new year, perhaps you have some resolutions that you want to integrate. It's a beautiful time for new beginnings. It's a new year, new day, new moment. New opportunities to create, new opportunities to heal, new opportunities to forgive, new opportunities to laugh. I want to remind you, my friend, however you feel in this moment is A-okay. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can let go of some of the pain. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware. Putting distractions to the side. You can gently close your eyes. And listening with your whole body to this guided meditation. Opening your heart to this moment, unlike any other moment that's ever been before. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. Exhale, letting go of stress, letting go of worries. Taking a big breath in. And exhale, releasing. Softening the shoulders, softening your face. You're safe to close the eyes. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in. Exhale, letting go of the inner conflict, the inner criticism. Breathing in compassion. And exhale, letting go of any anger, disappointment, sadness, negativity. Feeling negativity, leave the mind, leave the body as you breathe in love. And exhale, letting go of fear. exhale, feeling yourself more grounded, more rooted in this present moment. Relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead. You're safe to close the eyes. Relaxing your belly. Relaxing the palms of your hands and feet. Breathing in with awareness. And exhale, letting go. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. And breathing in. And exhaling. Every cell in your body breathing in. And exhale. Inhaling and exhaling, breathing into the belly and exhale, pushing the belly out, breathing into your heart space and exhale, releasing tensions, softening. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling masculine, grounded energy. And exhaling feminine, intuition, receptivity. Feeling the dance of the masculine and feminine coming together inside you. Feeling more wholeness as you breathe in. And exhale, breathing out. Recognizing that you're already more than enough. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind be totally free to think. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Letting go of thoughts, becoming aware of your body, aware of your posture, aware aware of how you're sat. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. The color for today is pink. The number is 5 million. And the animal is a flamingo. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in aliveness. Exhaling. Feeling more balance coming into your whole being. A feeling of balance. Breathing in beauty. Exhaling, feeling more grounded, more centered. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top, continuing to hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale. I thank you for joining me today on this first day of the year. I'm sending you a big hug, my dear friend, across time and space. Wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of innocence, in the sense of not always knowing what's coming next, not always knowing the answer, not always having an opinion, but like a baby, fresh. That's how I look at the fresh year. It's a fresh slate to come back to a state of not knowing. It's okay to not always have the answer, to not always have the solution. It's okay to not always have an opinion. Just like when we were very young and we didn't have any opinions yet, we saw the world with such wonder. And that's a very beautiful state to be in. That's a wonderful state. To not have an answer, but wonder, to be curious, to be inquisitive. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.